I'm coming to you guys with another wig video as promised. As you guys know, I did the short curly wig recently, and I'll link that wherever and also in the description box too. That was with my first wig, who is the sister company of RPGSHOW. Today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW, which is the parent company, or yeah, I don't know, parent, sister, I don't know. Most people know RPGSHOW, right? And as you guys know, their stuff comes in this box as well. And also the wig comes in this cute little travel case. Just basically showing a preview of me applying this wig. All I know is this wig is bomb. So keep on watching, and I'll see you after this application. And I have outfit of the day just to show you guys a cute little outfit of the day that I wore when I was supposed to be going to see Little Boosie in my hometown. But girl, it was so ratchet, so crowded, and I was not standing in line. No. So I wasted an outfit, so I was like, I might as well do an outfit of the day for my channel and give you guys some outfit ideas. But anyway, yeah, so stay tuned for this video. Hey y'all, I look cute, don't I? So before we put this wig on, of course we have to add a wig cap. This is a step that I used to skip all the time, but now that I've been wearing wigs for a while, it is best to have a wig cap to protect your hair and also to give you that like flawless hairline, because it literally makes you look bald, like seriously. So this is a step you have to do. Also, this is the wig before I washed it. It looks pretty good, right? And this is after I washed it. So we already had glue on there, so now I'm adding a hairspray, and I'm also going to blow dry this because we need this to be super tacky so it'll stick to our head. And also it's almost like making double-sided tape. You're making the cap stick to your head, and then we're going to make the wig stick to the cap and our head. Get it? Do y'all see that? This is a full lace wig, and it's like you can like literally see through this lace. Here's one, two, and then there's one in the middle in the back, and then it also has this little elastic thing. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that. Throughout this process, you'll notice that I blow dry this hairline often because I want it to be dry, and I also add additional product as needed, and I usually go after the spray. I like the spray way better than the gel. I haven't done my baby hair yet. I'm gonna get this to stick first. Once I took off my scarf, I really was satisfied with the hairline, and I usually am because curly hair is easier to make baby hairs without cutting them, but I decided to cut them just in case you guys wanted to see how I do that. And I didn't cut a lot of them because, like I said, the hairline looked flawless anyway, and that's the good thing about these wigs. Like, the hairline is really amazing, and I know that you can customize it to make it look even more thin for that more realistic look. I'll get there one day, but right now, you know, this wig looks good as is, and RPGSHOW really does a good job with their full lace wigs. I mean, seriously, all their wigs, their hairlines look really good. They definitely have stepped up their game. So after I have done the baby hairs, I'm going to use the freeze spray, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers because you don't want to put too much. This stuff is like so strong. So I'm going to just make sure those baby hairs stay in place. I'm going to blow dry this and also put my scarf on it again. And right now I'm detangling with Palmer's leave-in conditioner from their coconut oil collection and diffusing the hair to let it dry. What is that piece doing? This hair is so pretty. You see how much longer it is than the other wig? Definitely more full because, of course, this is a new wig. Y'all, I'm hot under these lights. That is all for this video. Not that we need it really, but we can blur out this part a little bit. I feel like I'll get better at application if I keep on trying. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but I've seen people's wigs where the hairline is like almost thin, like from the hairline and almost like maybe like an inch or two back, where it's like super thin, where it totally looks real. I think right now with my wig application, the hairline is a little bit too thick. Not so much wiggy looking, but it definitely could use some improvement. But this is my skill level at this point. This wig is Touched by Tim 021-G, and the texture is silky, even though I think it's curly or wavy. The hair color is natural hair color. Again, like I always say, I did not dye or anything. Just washed it and deep conditioned it. No plucking. This is a full lace wig, like full lace wig. Like it's full lace, no track whatsoever. I have a cap size 1, and again, this is a glueless full lace cap, and it's light brown. So y'all, I'm not sure of the price. I usually don't tell you guys the price because I want you to actually go to the website. But I do have a coupon code, of course, and I will share that with you. I love this hair. Oh my god. I love it. I'm about to finish putting on my outfit so I can show you guys my outfit of the day. And that'll close out this video. Be sure to check out the description box for links to all these items that I'm rocking in this outfit of the day. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys fell in love with this wig the same way I did, and also got an outfit idea. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, girls.